How to get the Cullen filter. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do the Cullen trend, the vampire twilight Cullen trend, or how you will look like as a Cullen as a vampire. So let's go to our TikTok app. So here, as you can see, I am on my profile. So to get that filter, we just have to click on the discover button next to the plus button from the bottom of the page. And here we have to search for Cullen or Cullen trend, just like this. So this is the trend and this one is the music. This is the sound, and you can add this to favorites. And now let's go back. And here we have to search for the filter. So this filter is called Dazzling Look. Just like this one, click on the first one. And now you just have to add this to favorites, or you can just click on try this effect. So the music, as you can see, it's already added, but if you don't have it, you just have to click on it, then click to favorites, and here you can select the first music, Supermassive Black Hole. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.